Freshly updated, beautifully maintained, and loaded with resort-style amenities. Pack your bags because this is your chance to move to Paloma del Sol. This home puts you in one of Temecula's best locations, near award-winning schools, wine country, and just minutes to Old Town's best shopping and dining. So if this feels like the right move for you, let's talk.